In today's video, we're going to talk about the weekly recap, everything that happened this week and how the week went. And my mood is not so good, but we are going to do it. So if you're interested in content like this, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, turn on your notification bell so that each time I'm uploading a video, you are among the first people to know. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Aurelie, a growing forex trader who is documenting her trading experiences on YouTube, also who has decided to be very successful with trading this year. If you want to purchase an account from Funded Next, I have a link with a 5% discount in the description box. You can check that out and get yourself an account as well. I have been trading Funded Next for a very long time, though I've never gotten a payout because I am still trying to understand my strategy properly. Also, I've been trading them for a while and they have good review, I must not lie. So if you're interested, you can literally click the link in my description box and get yourself a 5% discount if you use my link.
I don't know if y'all know it, but we're gonna win. I don't know if you feel it, but we're gonna win. I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna win. You got to understand, we're gonna win right now, not later. Right now. You just gotta believe.
So first thing that I would like to say is that this week I had multiple trades and most of my trades were not according to the plan that I have. Everything started because this week I didn't have a plan with which I was working. Every trading week I have a plan with which I am working. I have a target I am working on, and also most importantly, I don't look at the money part. I am only looking at the strategy part, or should I say how good I am with my strategy so far. And when it comes to that, that is not what happened this week. This week I was more focused on trying to pass phase 1 of my account because my goal for this month was to pass phase 1 of my account. That did not end well, so I'm going to take it to the chart right now and I'll show you various trades that I took. And though I don't have the exact setup anymore, but I'm going to show you the trade that I was taking and how everything went. So let's go to the chart.
No matter how good you get at trading, there are going to be times in the market that you don't know what's going on, and it's supposed to be that way. That simply means you have a defined setup and you only get clarity when the market aligns with it. And whenever the market isn't offering it, you wait. Anything outside of that is irrelevant to you and you shouldn't even think about it. The issue is that most traders think they always need to know what's going on. They're uncomfortable with not knowing, and that's exactly the problem. There's nothing wrong with not knowing. The only thing that's wrong is not knowing and then proceeding to act as if you do. That's where you force trades, that's where you justify trades, and that's ultimately where you're losing trades.
I forgot to add something. Initially, when I started trading this account, I was targeting a 1:3. So I decided to go for a 1:2 because I was trying to be confident with my strategy. So last week, I made approximately $88 plus because initially I was on a drawdown on my account. So I made plus $88. That means I was ending the week with $588. Now this week I made it more of monetary because I have somewhere here on my goals for the week is to make $200 on my account. Also, I upped my risk to reward to 1:3. I think this really messed me up, but let's go to the chart so we talk more after that. So this week I traded gold, I traded EUR USD, and I traded GBP JPY, and this is wait, let's go to the chart. So currently we are on the chart and we are going to start with GBP JPY, and I'm going to show you the trades that I was looking out for. This happened to me last week, but that is not why we are here. This is the first trade that I took on GBP JPY. That was on Wednesday. Now, why did I take this trade? When I was looking at this zone here, I saw this breakout structure to the downside right here. When I saw this breakout structure, there is literally a fair value gap, right? And this here is liquidity. This is my liquidity here, and this is my fair value gap here. Sorry, this is my fair value gap here, and this is my other block here. That's the origin that created this breakout structure to the downside. So I was hoping for price to tap me I was hoping for price to tap me here and drop to the downside. Now I didn't wait for entry confirmation on the 5-minute time frame. I just went ahead and I entered this trade, and this trade literally took me out, and I was risking $100 on this trade, and I lost that $100. Now let's go to gold. I took gold this week as well, so this is literally what happened with gold. Now looking at this chart right now, I don't know why I was taking the I know this is why I was taking this trade. When I was looking at gold from these points, I saw this bearish movement here, then we had this liquidity here, and we had this fair value gap. So I was hoping for price to tap me in and drop. However, it tapped me and it moved up to the upside. Now when I'm looking at it very well right now, I see that here we had this breakout structure here. We had this breakout structure. Price came to this zone, to this origin that is here, and you see from there we saw this movement to the upside. Now selling in a buying market was not such a good idea, because that is why I literally took this loss. Now I'm going to take it to EUR USD. When it comes to EUR USD, I don't have the setup anymore, but I was literally buying in a selling market. This is very detrimental to whatever I was doing this week. So I took a buy. I was taking a buy somewhere here. I think I took a buy somewhere. No, it's not here. I cannot remember exactly where, and it took me out. So right now I'm taking this. I'm looking out for this buy right here, but I need to see entry confirmation before I enter the trade. The reason why I'm taking this one here is because we have gotten to the daily fair value gap. Let me take you to the daily time frame. We have gotten to this daily fair value gap right here, and price has reacted positively towards that area. So I want to see price tap me here and give me this 1:4. Now those are the various trades that I took this week, and out of every trade that I took this week, I had no winning trade. As I was saying, out of all the trades that I took this week, I had no winning trades. That means my account is back on at $4,900. I'm going to leave a screenshot to everything somewhere here. Currently, I am trading funded next $5,000 account, phase 1 and phase 2. So if you want to purchase a prop firm account, please, I have a link to my a link in the. Now that being said, one of the major lessons that I've learned this week is patience. Aside from patience, you need to be very observant of whatever you do. Also, I've learned that the moment you go out of your plan, the moment you don't have a plan, you will not have a direction. Because this week I had no plan. I was just, not that I had no plan, but I had no written plan. I felt like everything was already in my head. Since last week I made money, this week I was going to make money as well. Also, psychologically, I'm not in a good space, because I didn't know that I was still going to get affected if I am not getting things right with my trading. So I must say that, to be very honest, I am not in a good space psychologically and mentally. However, I think it is all part of this trading game, and at the end of the day, I am going to be fine. Definitely I'm going to be fine, because one video that I watched that really boasts me a lot was losing in trading, taking like your tuition fee, like you're paying tuition fee, and at the end of the day, one day you're going to make back everything that you lost plus more. So yeah, this week was not a good week for me, and I had a lot of plans, like a lot of goals for this month. We have come to the end of this month, and one of my major goals was to pass my phase 1, and that is not happening. That has not happened. That does not mean I'm going to give up. We still have the month of April, we have the month of May, we have the month of June, we have the month of July. We still have this year to make things right, and I know that definitely things are going to be right this year for me. Like, I am so sure. I don't know what it's going to cost me, but I know that definitely things are going to be right for me this year. So this is literally what I had to share with you in today's video, and I hope that you guys learn 1 or 2 from this video, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.